Hello and welcome to the channel. Today's video is about adapting a Ryobi pressure washer to use the third-party Lance and Snow Foam bottle. First, let's start with an unboxing of the Ryobi pressure washer, model number RPW140-G. This model is an 1800 watt 2000 psi pressure washer. The minimum flow rate is 6.7 litres per minute and the maximum flow rate is 7.2 litres per minute. It weighs in at 7.7 kilograms. Okay, now that everything is out of the box, let's have a closer look at each of the items. We have the high pressure hose, the instruction manual with some screws, and the hose handle. Here we have a plastic holder for the end of the spray wand to sit into, a water inlet filter, a trigger handle holder, and a power cord holder. Here we have the trigger and the spray nozzle wand. Lastly, we have the handle for the pressure washer. Take the power cord holder and push it down onto the assigned groove slots. Then take the trigger handle holder and slide it onto its assigned slots on the other side of the unit. Take the holder for the nozzle of the wand and connect it to the slots at the base of the unit. Next, take the hose handle and put it inside the middle of the pressure washer handle. There are 4 plastic tubes that go into the matching holes in the handle. Take 4 of the provided screws and screw them into the holes on the rear side of the handle. Now take the handle and slide it into the slots at the front of the pressure washer and push it all the way in. Turn the unit around and then use the last 2 screws to permanently affix the handle to the pressure washer. Take the cap off the water inlet port and then screw the water inlet filter onto that part. If you wanted to use the supplied wand that comes with the pressure washer, you would take the supplied hose and take this end of the hose and connect it to the water outlet port, which is down the bottom here. The other end of the hose is what connects to the supplied wand. To connect the hose to the wand, simply press the hose lock button to force the clamping mechanism apart, at which time you would insert the hose and release the lock button. Firstly, we need a third-party wand. I purchased this Nuzamas gun from Amazon. It comes with a 1 litre Snow Foam Lance bottle kit and 5 spray nozzle tips of varying degrees. these being 0, 15, 25, 40 and 65 degrees. It also has an M22 outlet with a 14mm inside diameter. Since the Ryobi washer's hose that goes from the pressure washer to the gun has a fitting that suits their gun and not the third-party gun that I've bought, I needed to buy a new hose. The Ryobi washer's water outlet port is a 22mm thread with a 15mm spigot opening. This hose that I bought was a 10m hose and has the 22mm thread and 15mm spigot at both ends. Longer hoses were available. The next thing we need is a quick connector adapter with an M22 thread and a 14mm spigot to a 1/4 inch connector. I purchased these two parts together on eBay for $16.69 Australian, including shipping. The last part we need is a brass 22mm female thread to a 22mm male thread adapter with a 15mm bore. This was also purchased on eBay for $13 Australian, including shipping. Our hose we have bought has M22 female ends with a 15mm spigot. Take the brass M22 female to M22 male thread adapter, which has the 15mm bore, and screw this onto one end. We can now screw in the brass M22 male connector. This has the 1/4 inch quick disconnect at the other end. Take your 1/4 inch connector and screw it into the handle of the third-party gun. Now you can connect the handle to the hose by simply putting the 1/4 inch connector into the quick connect adapter. This also means that the handle can be moved around without the hose kinking.